Students, good morning students. Today I am going to teach you the topic Karl Pearson सहसंबंध या Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. The formula we are using for this, R is equal summation dx and divided by n multiply as dx multiply as dy. The question for this is निम्न सामंकों से कार्ल पियर्सन सहसंबंध गुणांक ज्ञात कीजिए, या इंग्लिश में है फाइंड आउट द कार्ल पियर्सन कोफिशिएंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग डेटा. फॉर दिस series X is 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22 and 23, and series Y is 12, 16, 14, 11, 15, 19, 22, 16, 15 and 20. The solution I am going to teach you. First you make column like this, okay, and you can see this X values, the total values are 10. So we can say n is equal 10. Okay, then it is compulsory to find out the value of dx. So how can we find out the value of dx? For this we are using summation x. Summation x means the total number of x is 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 19 20 20 plus 21 plus 21 plus 22 plus 23 3 is equal 22, means summation x is equal 22. You can see here mean is equal summation x divided by n, means 200 divided by 10. The answer we get 20. You can see here 20. 20 is the value of dx. So we are using here dx. The dx value we can get from x minus mean. Okay, now you can do like this. 17 minus 20 is equal 3. फिर आप इसकी वैल्यूज़ को आगे निकालते जाएंगे इसी तरीके से. -3, -2, -1, -1 and then -1 again, then 0, 0, 0, +1, +1, +2 and +3. Okay, then it is compulsory to find out the SD value, because in the formula SDX is given there, so that we are find out the value of SD. So SD value is, we can do -3 multiply by -3 means 9, -2 multiply by -2 we get 4, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4 and last 9. These are the value of dx square. This value we are going to use for find out the SDX. Same thing we are doing for y. The total y values are, the answer we get total y value is summation y is equal 160. Okay, 160 we get. Then we and the derivation between the y minus y bar is 12 minus 160, means find out the mean of y. 160 divided by 10 means we get 16. 16 we write here. Okay, so the dy value is 16 we write here, and 12 minus 16 is -4. 12 minus 16 is -4. 16 minus 16 0. Then 19 minus 16 -3. Then -5. Then -1. Then 3. Then 6. Then 0. Then 0, then -1, then +4. These value we get for value of y. The total value, first I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is correct. Okay, now we are doing dx and dy, because in the formula dx and dy is compulsory, so that we are using dx and dy. The value of dx is here and the value of dy is here. तो we multiply both of thing. Okay. When we multiply -4 into -3 into -4, we get +12. तो +12 we write here. Next is 0. Next is 2. Next is 5. Next is 0. Next is 0. Next is 6. Next is 0. Next is 2. Next is 12. Okay, these are the total value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is correct. Okay, one thing, remember this thing, that as the y value is not find out yet, so we are going to find out. How can we find out? From this dy square. Dy square is 4 4s are 16, then 0, then 9, then 25, then 1, then 9, then 6 6 are 36, then 0, 1 and 16. These value we get, and the summation of this is, when we want to find out the summation of this is 108, and summation of these values are, we get as dx and as dy is 35. Okay, so all the values we find out except as dy, as dx value. So as dx value is 0. Okay, and when we want to find out as d square value, the d square value means sigma dx square. Sigma dx square value is 30. ठीक है, then sigma dy value is, when we are going to find out sigma dy value is also a 0 value we get. Okay, so these are the all formula is ready. See, now we are going to put up the values in this formula. R is equal as d summation dx and dxy is 35 and 10 multiply, then the value of SDX is 1.73 and value of SDY is 3.29. How we can see SD value? We can find out the SD value. SDX is in under root. In under root we can write the value 30 upon 10 means 3. 3 का रूट कितना होता है? 1.73. So SDX value is here. SDY value, how we can find SDY value? 108 divided by 10 means the answer we get 3.29. So this is the SDY value. All the values are here. When we multiply these values and divided by the 35, the answer we get R is equal 0.615. This is the direct method of correlation by Karl Pearson. Thank you.